Ever wondered how this incredible organ inside our heads, the human brain, works its magic? Let's dive into the fascinating world of neuroscience and explore the intricate mechanisms that allow us to recognize faces, voices, and store memories. First up, let's talk about the brain's ability to recognize faces. This remarkable skill is thanks to a specific area called the fusiform gyrus, located in the temporal lobe. It's like a facial recognition software in our brain, analyzing facial features and patterns to identify familiar faces in a split second. Next, let's unravel the mystery of how we recognize voices. The auditory cortex, situated in the temporal lobe, plays a crucial role in processing sound and speech. It helps us distinguish between different voices, tones, and pitches, allowing us to recognize our loved ones just by hearing their voices. Now, let's delve into the complex world of memory. The hippocampus, a seahorse-shaped structure in the brain, is responsible for forming and storing memories. It acts like a filing system, organizing our experiences into short-term and long-term memories, shaping who we are and how we perceive the world around us. But wait, there's more. The prefrontal cortex, located behind our forehead, is like the CEO of the brain, overseeing decision-making, problem-solving, and emotional regulation. It's our brain's control center, guiding our actions and behaviors based on past experiences and future goals. In conclusion, the human brain is a marvel of nature, with its intricate network of neurons, synapses, and neurotransmitters working in perfect harmony to create our thoughts, emotions, and memories. So next time you marvel at someone's face, recognize a familiar voice, or reminisce about a cherished memory, remember that it's all thanks to the incredible power of your brain. And there you have it, a glimpse into the wondrous world of how the human brain works its magic. Thank you for joining me on this enlightening journey through the inner workings of our most complex organ.